Hey guys, my name is Jennifer. Welcome to Business and Beyond. Here we'll be talking about all things business finance, as well as tools, tips, and resources that will ultimately help you do business better. So if that is something that interests you, make sure you like and subscribe. Now, today's video is going to be about 4 ways that small business owners generally waste more money than they should. So let's get into it. The first area that small business owners tend to waste money is in subscriptions. Now, I think that we all can agree that we sign up for subscriptions way more often than we should. Many times we're continuously paying for a subscription that we're not even using, right? So you've signed up for 10 different subscriptions. You're paying $10, $12, $15 a month for the subscription, and you have not opened the app or opened the program in over 6 months. And we do this because it's like, oh, well, it's only $5 a month. It's only $10 a month. It's only $15 a month. But by the time that adds up, you're paying $100 to $300 a month on subscriptions that you're not even using. So I challenge you to look through your bank statements, look into, your bank account and see where are those subscriptions and which ones are you actually using. If you have not used a subscription within the past 3 to 6 months, cancel it, get rid of it. I'm sure you're not going to miss it at all. Now, for the subscriptions that you actually use, I would sign up for the annual subscription, because generally when you pay month to month for a subscription, you are paying more. If you are able to sign up for the annual subscription rather than paying month to month, I would definitely go that route. Now, number 2, late fees. You guys, paying anything late and incurring a late fee is like the biggest waste of money, especially if you have the money, but you're paying it late because you forgot, you don't have it on bill pay, you don't have a reminder, you didn't know when it was due, you forgot that it was coming up. Banks thrive on late fees, overdraft fees, all these fees that we are charged because we may not be paying attention to what's going on. The banks thrive off of these things. So those late fees, you're literally just giving away money. So you want to make sure all of your bills, anything that you have to pay, make sure that you're aware of the due date. If you pay it monthly, if you pay it quarterly, twice a year, you pay it once a year, make sure that you know when the due date is and pay it on time, so you're not giving money away to those banks as it relates to late fees. Number 3, the third thing that we tend to spend money on that we don't need, and I'm going to say we because I'm talking to myself as well, is fancy equipment. Now, this is for my entrepreneurs, my small business owners that are content creators, creatives. Y'all know we like to buy shiny new things. We like to buy new cameras, new computers, new this, new that. We love new stuff because we think that if we get the new thing, it's going to take our business to the next level. Now, I'm not opposed to leveling up. I'm all about leveling up in your business. But in order to level up, you must first have to start at the level that you're on, right? So before you go out and buy that new camera to make your videos for Instagram, okay, so if you want to buy a new camera, fine. But have you recorded any videos on your phone? If you have not utilized your phone to record any videos, why do you think that you will be a video magician once you get the camera? So I'm always in belief of that. You have to utilize what you have first before you go buying fancy new equipment, because even though you think that once you get this new thing, your business is going to go to the next level and you're going to be doing this, that, and the other, sometimes it actually has the reverse effect. So let's take this camera instance as an example. You want to do video for your Instagram. You have not used your cell phone to do it at all. So you want to go out and buy a camera. You buy the camera. You have no idea how to use the camera. So there's a learning curve. You have to learn how to use the camera. Then you start using the camera. Well, the camera does not work the way that you wanted it to. Your videos come out blurry. The lens start acting up. You can't get the videos from the camera to the computer. All these things happen, and now you have gotten frustrated because this thing is not doing what you wanted to do, and now you're not doing videos at all. When you could have just started with what you have, use your cell phone to do the videos in the beginning, and then level up and get the camera. Same thing. It's like just utilize what you have first. And then once you have utilized what you have first and you have maxed out on your capacity for that thing, then go buy the new thing that will help you in your business. So don't get that shiny new object syndrome. We always want the shiniest new thing, when in actuality, we really can do well with what we already have at home. So number 4, the fourth thing that we generally sometimes spend money on that we don't need is over outsourcing. Now, I'm all about outsourcing. I love to let those that can do, but there are some things that you don't have to over outsource. And there are some things that you don't have to outsource at all, I guess, depending on, what your business is. But in the beginning, there are some things that you should be doing yourself. Yes, there are some things that have to be outsourced, or that would be better served if it were outsourced. But everything that makes your business run does not have to be outsourced. If you're just starting in your business, there's a lot of things that you will probably have to learn to do yourself, because you may not have the money to pay everyone to do all of these things for you. When you're first starting out, there are some things that you can be doing yourself. You don't necessarily need a virtual assistant to check your emails, and a graphic designer to create this big 5-page website for you, and a social media manager to create your content and schedule your content and post your content for you, and someone to create all of these graphics for you. And you've just started out, so you may not even really need these things at all, and you're just spending money on outsourcing things that don't necessarily have to be outsourced. It's like you're spending all this money on people to do all of these things for you, and you just started your business last week. Like, wait until you actually have a need for these extra people in your business and then bring it on. In order to, of course, grow and scale, you have to add team members, and you need people to help you do certain things, but not from day one. So learn how to do some things yourself, and then grab those team members and get other people to do things for you as you progress in your business. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope that you kind of take a look at your business and see where you can scale back if you are spending extra money in any of these areas. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and you share with a friend. Until next time, I will see you guys later.